Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Ryan and today we are going to talk about how to use could, would, and should in English.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Welcome back to English-based channel. Today's topic is very practical and very useful.
Yes, could, would, and should are three words that English speakers use every single day.
Yes, you hear them in movies, conversations, at work, and at school.
But many beginners feel confused by these three words.
Yes, they look similar, but they have different meanings and different uses.
Exactly. So today we are going to explain each one clearly with simple examples.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you will understand how to use all three confidently.
Yes, so stay with us until the end. It will be very helpful.
These three words are called modal verbs, M-O-D-A-L verbs.
Modal verbs are special helping verbs. They change the meaning of the main verb.
For example, I go to work. That is a simple sentence.
But I should go to work. Now we added meaning. Now it is a suggestion or obligation.
Yes, the modal verb changes everything.
Okay, are you ready, listeners? Let's learn could, would, and should.
Let's go. Okay, let's start with the first word, could, C-O-U-L-D.
Could is the past form of can, but we use it in many different ways.
Yes, could has three main uses. Let's go through them one by one.
The first use of could is for past ability, something you were able to do in the past.
For example, when I was young, I could run very fast.
Yes, I was able to run fast in the past, but maybe not now.
Another example, she could speak French when she was a child.
Yes, she had the ability in the past.
He could play the guitar very well 10 years ago.
Yes, past ability, something you were able to do before.
Good. The second use of could is for polite requests.
Yes, when you want to ask for something politely, very common in daily English.
For example, could you please help me?
That is more polite than help me, or even can you help me?
Yes, could makes it softer and more respectful.
Another example, could you pass me the salt, please?
Or, could I have a glass of water?
Yes, could I is very polite. You are asking for permission or help gently.
Could you speak more slowly, please? I am learning English.
That is a very useful sentence for our listeners.
Yes, write that one down, everyone.
Yes, if someone speaks too fast, just say, could you speak more slowly, please?
Perfect. The third use of could is for possibility, something that is maybe possible.
For example, it could rain tomorrow. Maybe it will rain, we are not sure.
Or, she could be at home right now. We think it is possible, but we do not know.
That could be a good idea. Maybe it is a good idea, you are considering it.
Yes, could for possibility means maybe. It is possible, but not certain.
Good. Let's quickly review the three uses of could.
Number 1, past ability. I could swim when I was 5.
Number 2, polite requests. Could you help me, please?
Number 3, possibility. It could be true.
Great. 3 uses of could. Simple and clear.
Listeners, can you make a sentence using could? Write it in the comments. Okay, now let's talk about the second word, would. W-O-U-L-D.
Would is one of the most common words in English conversation. You hear it everywhere.
Yes, would also has 3 main uses. Let's go through them.
The first use of would is for polite offers and requests.
Yes, very similar to could, but would is often used for offering something to someone.
For example, would you like some coffee?
That is a very common and polite offer in English.
Yes, in a restaurant, in someone's home, in a meeting, you hear would you like everywhere.
Would you like some help?
Would you like to sit down?
Would you like me to explain that again?
Yes, would you like is a very polite and friendly way to offer something.
And when someone offers you something with would you like, you can answer yes, please, or no, thank you.
Yes, very natural English conversation.
The second use of would is for imaginary or hypothetical situations.
Hypothetical, hypothetical. That means imaginary, not real, a situation you are imagining.
For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world.
You do not have $1 million, but you are imagining. What would you do?
If I were famous, I would use my platform to help people.
Again, imaginary situation. You are not famous, but what would you do if you were?
If it were possible, I would live near the beach.
Yes. If plus past tense, then would plus verb. That is the structure.
If I had, would do. If I were, would be. If I could, would go.
Yes, this structure is called the second conditional. Very useful and very common.
But do not worry about the grammar name. Just remember, if plus imaginary situation plus would.
Yes, keep it simple.
The third use of would is for talking about past habits or routines.
Oh yes, this is a very interesting use. Would can describe things you did regularly in the past.
For example, when I was a child, I would wake up very early every morning.
It means you did this regularly in the past. It was your routine.
My grandmother would always cook a big meal on Sundays.
Yes, every Sunday. It was a regular habit in the past.
After school, we would play football in the street every day.
Yes, past routine. Things you used to do regularly.
Good. Let's review the 3 uses of would.
Number 1, polite offers. Would you like some tea?
Number 2, imaginary situations. If I had more time, I would learn a new language.
Number 3, past habits. When I was young, I would read before sleeping every night.
Excellent. 3 uses of would, all very common in everyday English.
Ryan, can I ask you a would question?
Of course.
If you could visit any country in the world, where would you go?
If I could visit any country, I would go to Japan. I love the culture and the food.
Oh, that is a great answer. I would go to Italy. The food, the history, the weather.
Ha! Good choices. Listeners, where would you go? Write your answer below.
Yes, use the structure. If I could visit any country, I would go to...
Okay, now the third and final word, should. SHOULD.
Should is probably the most straightforward of the 3.
Yes, should is mainly used for advice and recommendations.
When you think something is the right thing to do or a good idea.
For example, you should drink more water. It is very good for your health.
That is advice. I think drinking water is a good idea for you.
You should watch this movie. It is amazing.
That is a recommendation. I think this movie will be good for you.
You should practice English every day.
Ha, yes, that is great advice for our listeners.
Haha, yes, and it's true. Daily practice is very important.
The second use of should is for obligation, something that is expected or required.
For example, you should be on time for meetings.
It is expected. It is the right thing to do.
Students should do their homework.
Yes, that is expected behavior.
We should respect other people.
Yes, it is the right thing to do.
Good. And the negative form is should not, or the short form shouldn't.
For example, you shouldn't eat too much sugar. It is not healthy.
You shouldn't be late for work.
You shouldn't waste water.
Yes, should not means it's a bad idea or it's wrong.
The third use of should is for expectation, when you think something will probably happen.
For example, the package should arrive tomorrow. I expect it. I believe it will come.
She studied a lot. She should pass the exam.
You believe she will pass because she prepared well.
It is already 7 o'clock. He should be home by now.
Yes, you expect him to be home. It is a reasonable expectation.
Good. Let's review the 3 uses of should.
Number 1, advice and recommendations. You should try this restaurant.
Number 2, obligation. You should be honest with people.
Number 3, expectation. The train should arrive in 5 minutes.
Perfect. 3 uses of should, all very clear and very useful.
Okay, now let's compare all 3 words together because sometimes learners confuse them.
Yes, let's use the same situation for all 3 and see how the meaning changes.
Great idea. The situation is, you have a headache.
Okay, with could, you could take some medicine.
What does that mean?
It means it is one possible option. Maybe try this, but it is just a suggestion, very gentle.
Now with should, you should take some medicine.
What does that mean?
It means I strongly recommend this. It is the right thing to do. A bit stronger than could.
And now with would, if I had a headache, I would take some medicine.
Ah, different structure. Now it is imaginary. If I were in your situation, this is what I would do.
Yes. Do you see the difference, everyone?
Could is gentle possibility. Should is strong advice. Would is imaginary or hypothetical.
Let's try another example. The situation is, your friend wants to learn English.
With could, you could watch English Base Channel, one possible option.
Good example.
With should, you should watch English Base Channel, strong recommendation.
Even better.
With would, if I wanted to learn English, I would watch English Base Channel every day.
Perfect. You were amazing, Sophie.
I try my best.
Listeners, did you hear how naturally we used all 3 words?
Yes, could, would, and should flow naturally in conversation.
Yes, the more you listen and practice, the more natural they will feel.
Yes, do not memorize grammar rules. Just listen and practice.
Exactly. Let's do one final practice together.
Okay, Ryan, I will give you a situation. You respond using could, would, or should.
Ready.
Situation 1. Your friend is very stressed and tired. What do you say?
You should take a break and rest for a while.
Perfect. Should for advice. Situation 2. Someone offers you coffee. You want it. What do you say?
Yes, please. I would love some coffee. Thank you.
Beautiful. I would love is a very natural, polite response.
Yes, I would love to, or I would love some, very common in English.
Yes, write that down, everyone. I would love to. Very polite and very natural.
Situation 3, a friend asks, what are your plans if you finish work early today?
If I finish early, I would go for a walk in the park.
Perfect. Would for imaginary or possible future situation.
And situation 4. Someone asks for a quiet place to study in the library.
You could try the reading room on the 2nd floor. It's always very quiet.
Excellent. Could for a gentle suggestion or option.
Great practice.
Yes, let's quickly review the key grammar rule for each word.
Could plus verb. I could help you. Could you come here?
Would plus verb. I would love that. Would you like some water?
Should plus verb. You should sleep early. We shouldn't be late.
And all 3 are always followed by the base form of the verb. No S, no ing, no ed.
Yes, this is very important. We say, you should go, not you should goes or you should going.
I would love, not I would loves.
Could you help me, not could you helps me.
Modal verb plus base verb. Always, no exceptions.
That is a very important rule. Remember it, everyone.
Let's take a quick moment for pronunciation.
Yes, these 3 words are often reduced in natural speech.
In fast natural English, could sounds like cud, very short, could.
Could. Could you help me? Not Could you help me? Could.
Would sounds like would, very short, would.
Would. Would. Would you like some coffee? Would.
And should sounds like should, should.
Should. You should try this. Should.
And the negative forms, couldn't, wouldn't, shouldn't, shouldn't.
These are very fast in natural speech. Couldn't, wouldn't, shouldn't.
For example, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
You shouldn't worry too much.
He couldn't come to the meeting yesterday.
Yes, in real conversations, these words are short and quick.
So, when you listen to native speakers, you might hear would instead of would.
Now you know why. It is normal, it is natural, it is real English.
Okay, everyone, we have reached the end of today's episode.
Yes, short but very full of learning today.
Yes, we covered a lot in a short time. Let's do a quick final review.
Could, 3 uses. Past ability, polite requests, possibility.
Would, 3 uses. Polite offers, imaginary situations, past habits.
Should, 3 uses. Advice and recommendations, obligation, expectation.
And all 3 are always followed by the base form of the verb, always.
Yes, could go, would love, should try. Base verb, no changes.
And in natural speech, could sounds like could, would sounds like would, should sounds like should.
Yes, now you know the grammar and the pronunciation.
If you want to practice, write a sentence in the comments using could, would, or should.
Yes, even one sentence is great practice. We will read your comments and encourage you.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to English Base channel so you never miss a new episode.
We post new episodes every week. Simple English, real conversations, real learning.
Yes, come back every week and your English will improve step by step.
We believe in every single one of you.
Yes, keep going, keep practicing. You were doing amazing.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today so much.
Thank you everyone for listening to English Base Channel.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye-bye. And remember, you should practice English today. You could start right now, and I think you would enjoy it.
Haha, perfect ending, Ryan. Goodbye everyone.